I planted these sweet potato vines really late because I was trying to grow my own vines and it just took forever for them to grow. I think it was end of July when I planted these. So this is November 1st and I'm just shocked that I actually got some sweet potatoes. I was just trying to grow the vines so I can save them over winter then, but it's definitely a plus to have the sweet potatoes surprise me. It's a good size. I think I only had like 4 or 5 slips. It's alright. I'll take it.